Hey, what's up guys, my name is Haji and you are watching Haji Raj TV. Today we are going to unbox Boya PVM 1000. I just bought it today and we will unbox it. Let's go. Boya PVM 1000. We can grab it first. Here is the packing and it's the front side. It's Boya audio equipment. And these are the features, specifications. The box is good, and this is the sides. So good. Nice box. Wall features, specifications, and how to use. Right, let me place it aside. And wow, and this is my windshield, I think. Nice buddy. Just see it. Nice. Side. And here we got the wire. And this is the pouch for the mic. You can take it from anywhere. You can take it anywhere. No, this is the mic. Such a beauty. Yeah. Right. It's very nice. You know the smoothness and let me just take it off. And here's the XLR mic. The actual mic, and here the sun 1.5. Let me place it here. Yeah. Alright, yes. Put it on. Let's see how it looks like. You should. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, here we go. Anything else? These are the rubber mesh, I think. Yeah. Place it in here and there goes something. And this is for mic lighting. There goes the box. So nice. Okay. you want to buy this mic, I will give If you want to buy this mic, I will give the link in the description below, so you can buy it from there. And I want to say that this video does not contain any paid content. I just bought this mic, so I decided to unbox with you. And don't forget to subscribe. Links in the description below.